Hello everyone, my name is Ali Hussein. I am from Iraq. I am PhD student at Kerala University, Department of Physics. Actually, I have heard about STEMskills Lab before 3 months ago from social media, and I have joined with them about one course before almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. And the course was about natal docking. The course was about 4 days. Actually, the STEMskills Lab, the team of STEMskills Lab is very good team. The teacher is so good, and he liked to help you so much. I mean, the first lecture, when you start the course, they will ask you about your interesting for each student. They will ask about which subject you are doing, why you are joining, like this question. So everyone, the teacher, he will know everyone on the course, and exactly the course he will be not more than 10 students. So the course will be nice. I mean, each student, he will know very well about his interest. So while the course is doing, he will let you practice, and he will see what is your problem. And even the course finish and your problem is not solved, so you can contact with them, and they will give you also a special day for you. Like they will explain, they will solve your problem, and they will try to make you understand all your questions. So I advise everyone to join with them. Because they are interesting about docking and simulation and molecular dynamics. I think I will join with them about dynamic and simulation, because the first course I joined with them, I got benefit from them, and I understand the natal docking. So thank you.